Hey everyone, this is Pete Kulitsky with Aerodynamics, here to unbox the 1000 series 6.5-inch component set. Inside the box, we find a pair of the ADCS611 component woofers, tweeters, and crossovers, all recessed into a block of CNC cut foam. The woofers feature a coated paper cone with a rubber surround and a stamped steel frame. The tweeters feature a 25mm high-quality silk dome behind an acoustically transparent hexagonal mesh. There is also a pair of the AD1XL high-pass crossovers, each in its own transparent case, for a clear view of the high-quality mylar capacitors and the air core inductors. An internal switch offers 0, -3, and -6 dB attenuation. Dimension-wise, the CS611 woofer features a mounting diameter of 5.6 inches and a mounting depth of 2.21 inches. The TW2522 tweeter has a mounting diameter of 1.92 inches, with a flush mounting depth of only 0.78 inches. And the AD1XL crossover covers a 2.15 by 3.88 inch footprint with a protrusion of 1 inch. For more information, parameters, and other performance data, check out the rest of the product page here at adcaraudio.com.